Vanilla pudding slime. And first ingredient that we need is a 1/4 cup of vanilla pudding mix. Dump it in, Lil. Yeah, dump it all in. Good job, Pace. Now we need a 1/3 cup of water. Nope, that's the cornstarch. Put your water in there. Good job. Pour it all in there, quick. Now we need to dump a little bit of the cornstarch in. Not all of it, though.
Mommy, I'm just gonna pick a little pinch. Oh, that's not.
Okay, now mix it with your spoon. No. Now mix it. Just a little bit, about half. Now mix it with your spoon. That's exactly what we want. We want it to start forming like that.
Mine looks yellow. I want yellow.
Yep. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Make sure you hold on to your bowl. Keep mixing that all up. And then we'll put more cornstarch in it as we go. Mix it up, Pace.
I need a wipe. It looks like
a little bit more cornstarch in there.
Okay. There's mine.
Not all of it, just a little.
It's not.
Yeah, we'll do that much mix, and then we'll do the rest in just a minute. You need to mix some more before you put more in there.
I put more in there.
No, buddy. Mix in your bowl.
I need a little bit more to make it yummy.
What are you doing, bud?
We're gonna dig into our hands. Why, Mom?
Yep. No, don't eat it. Mix it. Can you stir it? Stir it. Good job. Good job, Ruby. Good job, Pace. Mix up, buddy. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. That looks great. Hold it apart. Let me see. Oh, wow.
Do you see inside it?
Oh, look at that.
Whoa!
Look how Noah's turned out. He's eating his. That's so cool. There you go. How'd yours turn out, Paisy? Oh, wow. Let's see some squish.
Mommy, do you see my squish? Mommy, look at my squish.
Oh, wow. Looks great.
It's a mermaid.
Pretty yellow color.
I'm making a beach. I'm making a beach.
Okay.
I'm making a beach too. Let's pretend water.
Okay.
This is gonna be the water.
So it turned out good. Noah's eating it. It is an edible recipe, but it really doesn't taste that good. But
Mine tastes yummy.
he's happy. So it smells good. Smells like vanilla. What do you think, Lil?
Yum.
You think?
Yum.
You guys are strange.